Hi. Today, we will see an interesting thing. We can set an image password in our Windows 11 computer. Let's see how to do that. Click here. And click the Settings option. Choose Accounts. And here, select Sign In Options. Here, you will see the Picture Password option. If you don't see this option in your settings, then just turn off this option as I have done. Then, close this settings window once and open it again. Now you will see this Picture Password option. Click it. Click Add. Click Choose Picture and browse an image. I have chosen this cat picture. Click the Use this picture option. Now, we have to set up 3 gestures in the image. Click anywhere on the image. You have to click 3 different points. I'm going to click on the 2 eyes and nose of the cat. You have to click the same spots again for confirmation. Then you will see this congratulations screen. That means the picture password has been set up. Click Finish. If you want, you can change the image later. Now, I will lock the screen. See, when I try to unlock my computer, I see the same cat image that I had set. I will click the 2 eyes and the nose. And there you go. My computer has unlocked. Remember to click the 3 spots in the correct order as you had set up. If you want to use the normal PIN method to unlock the computer, then click Sign In Options here. Here you will see other unlock options that you can use. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.